Storm Noah hit England and France with hurricane-force winds and hail. Storm Noah brought 115 km/h gust across the UK on Wednesday, leaving hundreds of properties without power and bringing down trees across roads and train tracks. Named Storm Noah by Meteo France, the band of winter weather swept across the country on Wednesday, causing travel delays in southern England and Wales. Coastal areas were worst hit by the storm, which led to hundreds of properties being left without power, and huge waves were filmed beating into the coast of Cape Cornwall. A 154 km/h gust, the strongest in the UK, was recorded by the Met Office at the Needles on the Isle of Wight. In addition to the strong winds, we've seen heavy showers and thunderstorms relatively widely through England and Wales this afternoon, particularly in southeast England and East England. This Thursday, the majority of France hit by bad weather caused by Storm Noah, which has been raging in France since Wednesday, April 12. Hail, but also wind, lots of wind on the Channel coast. The gusts of Storm Noah blew up to 134 km/h near Sangatte on Cap Blanc-Nét in Pas-de-Calais.